Duck, the Great Western Engine, was tired out. The troublesome trucks had been giving him trouble all morning.
Take it easy, Duck. You don't want to strain yourself.
But Duck didn't take it easy. He struggled and strained. Suddenly, Duck's safety valve burst.
I blame the trucks.
I told you this would happen.
The guard went to go get help.
Oh dear, I can already hear Gordon complaining.
Later in the shed, Gordon spoke up about Duck's accident.
Poor little duck, pushing yourself to the limits. Now, if you are a strong, blue tender engine like me, you could do all the stuff that you wanted to do. But you're just a small green tank engine.
Rubbish, you did the same thing as me.
Enough, Gordon. It was an accident.
Yeah, it's nothing to get worked up over. And Duck's right, you know.
Later that day, Sir Topham Hatt had news for Gordon.
Gordon, I have chosen you to build your special train. My mother will be on board. Please, no showing off. I would be honored, sir. Alright, off you go.
And he puffed away. But Gordon couldn't help but show off.
Come on, come on.
But then there was trouble.
Whoosh!
Then Gordon's safety valve burst.
What happened?
You know what, Gordon? What was that saying again? Oh yeah, karma bites back.
Oh, the indignity.
Gordon's face went as red as James's paintwork. Soon, Henry arrived to pick up the passengers. Then James went to pick up Gordon and take him to the works.
Oh, what was that saying, Gordon, again? Oh, yeah.
Karma bites back, I know.
Ah, well, even in the end, I guess we both bit off more than we can chew. Eh, Gordon?
I guess you can say that. You know what, Duck? I take back my comment about the tank engine.
That's great to hear. Only if we can change your opinions about branch lines now.
But I mustn't say any more, or I will spoil the next story.